The car crash is a liberation of sexual energy rather than a destructive event. It's something we are all intimately involved in. The reshaping of the human body by modern technology.
Were you badly hurt?
Describe it to me.
You coming?